Guys, if you don't know, I already played it, and I'm gonna play the Black Cat because I didn't play it already. I only played the part 1 of this. Here you go, guys. We will complete the Black Cat. Here we go, guys. We are across the river in the distant lands. I'm bad at reading, guys. Follow the Black Cat. Where is he? Oh, this is the cat. It's climbing the ladder. I think we got to follow the painting. So, how to get in this? It's the baby in part 1. Follow the Black Cat. This is long. He disappeared. Wait. Oh, it's loading. Network connection deleted. The baby load. Wait, I will turn on my Wi-Fi, guys. Just to start. I think this is the part 2 of the Black Cat. There is the cat, but how can I get there? These books, they have a pattern. Place the book in the right. We got to find the last 2 books. Oh, this is the second book. We got to place the second books there. If I drop it, this is the third one. I will come back to get that the second one that I get. This isn't working. I think you got to find the right book. Wait, I pick up the one that isn't working. Where did I put that? I forgot. Oh, this is the, I think this is the right one. And this is the painting of a baby. It goes at the bottom. Yeah, right. I forgot where I put the
September 14th, log
I gotta read this.
821. Plant life continues to grow out of control since Newt's disappearance. Research heavily impacted. Frustration building. Feeling lonely. Log end.
Now we got to find the second book.
June 2nd, log 940. Painting travel continues to be the best way to journey between worlds. I must stay hidden from the child, or I risk the same fate as the others. It's hard not to worry about being followed back, though. Best not to dwell on it. Log end.
We still got to find the second book. We already to it. Oh, I found it. We just need to put it in there. Boiler room. I think we got to put some fuel in there. Wait, I will pass through that. Guys, we open the gate. We got to go down to this. We got to check everything here. This one is opened. Go in there and check every corner. In another
March 1st, log 334. Newt is proving to be one of my most valuable creations. His help harvesting the more dangerous specimens has been a particular boon. Although I do need to address the battery design flaw, the poor soul just keeps collapsing. Best keep some spares on hand. Isn't that right, Newt? Log end.
the log and this is the boiler room. We got to check every door. I think every door are locked. This one is not. There's the black cat. I think this is not. We got to find the battery. Wait. We saw the battery in this room. Here. And we got to put it in mute. We got to play this game. I'm bad at this game, so don't judge me, guys. Yes, we completed. Now we got to give mute booster. But before that, we got to give him ink. Where is that ink? Where is the ink? This is not. This is only. I got to check in the. This is ink. We got to give mute this. We need to find where to get boosters. Wait. We get to explore this. My sibling scouts. make it to be quiet.
January 22nd, log 285. My dolls have confirmed apartment 10 as a new yellow site. The baby and his sitter so far remain unaware of my activities. Is it egotistical that I made the dolls look like myself? Maybe, but who's to judge? You? Log end.
This is like on this. What is this for? I think it's for this. I got to drop this here. Wait, I know where to use this. We need to find boosters, but it's running out of time, so see you in the next part, guys. Bye bye.